Hi guys, in front of me is Huawei Mate 20X and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, mark Reset and select Reset All Settings. And if you truly want to do it, just mark Reset All Settings, confirm and wait till it's done. Well, that's it. Just give it a couple more seconds to fully be reset and then set up again. Here, as you can see, we've got no longer dark theme, the wallpaper is changed and so on, so just give it a couple more seconds. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.